Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up
first this evening, we have images of the moment Member of Parliament for Southwest St. Andrew, Dr. Angela Brown Burke, interfered with the Mace in the lower house on Tuesday.
Now, the issue continues to spark debate, casting a shadow on the passing of the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority NARRA bill early this morning.
Details in this report.
Members,
a defiant Dr. Angela Brown Burke as she ignores instructions by the Speaker of the House, Juliet Holness, to leave the chamber. Opposition MPs stand in solidarity. The issue, as the House, which at the time was in committee stage, went through the clauses of the NARRA bill, the Southwest St. Andrew MP reached for the mace.
Oh, you don't ever do that, member. Marshall, please. Angela Brown Burke, I name you. Outside. Marshall, go for her. Angela Brown Burke. Members, I name Angela Brown Burke and ask that she be removed from the chamber. Those in favor? Those against, the ayes have it.
The mace is a ceremonial symbol representing the authority of the crown and the legitimacy of parliamentary proceedings. Its presence ensures that the House operates under the constitutional framework of a monarchy and parliamentary democracy.
Member, at no time can you grab the mace in Parliament. Not even in jest, member. And not in protest either, Member Burchell.
To what appeared to be chanting to the tune When the Saints Go Marching In the background, leader of government business Floyd Green would then rise to speak.
The motion that is being moved is that the member for Southeast St. Andrew is suspended for the remainder of the sitting.
But Dr. Brown Burke continued to stand her ground.
I think what we are witnessing now is a display which, when we reflect on this in years to come, it will not be amongst our best. And I think the order of the House and dignity of the House must be preserved. And I would invite all members to join in preserving that dignity of the House.
And even as the House Marshal proceeded to act on his instructions to remove Dr. Brown Burke from the chambers, she remained. The House Speaker then adjourned the proceedings for 5 minutes. It was at that point the Southwest St. Andrew MP exited the chambers. Her colleagues would follow. The sitting resumed without the presence of the opposition MPs, who eventually joined, this time without Dr. Brown Burke, who did not return for the remainder of Tuesday's marathon sitting. Janella Precious, TVJ News.